Hello friends, welcome to Saral Gyan. In this video, we will learn everything about the yellow notes in eOffice application. So keep watching. Hello friends, in this video, we will be learning what is a yellow note, how is it different from green note, how to create a yellow note, and how to convert a yellow note into a green note. So first of all, I will tell you what is the difference between a yellow note and a green note. The green note is a permanent note. Once you create a green note and send it to your higher official or the lower official, it cannot be changed. It would be permanent and be the part of the noting of your file. But if you want to show your note to your senior officer before forwarding it, you can create yellow note instead and send it to your officer. The officer to whom you will send the yellow note can edit your yellow note, discard your yellow note, or confirm your yellow note and convert it into a green note. So let's see it in practical. First of all, I will open a file, and here I have got two options: add green note and add yellow note. So I'll be using add yellow note for now. So let's click on add yellow note. So here I will be writing, this is just a yellow note. Please make necessary edits. And then you will have to click on submit before sending the file. So I will click on submit. So once you will submit it, you will get this screen. So now you have three options: edit, discard, and confirm. Edit, we will be checking in some other officer's account so that we can see what is the difference. So let's check discard option. So I will click on discard, and it has discarded the yellow note. The yellow note has gone away. So I'll again go to add yellow note, and then I will write, this is just a yellow note. Please make necessary edits. And then I will click on submit. And just be sure that you need to click on submit before sending the file to other officer. Then I'll go to send. And here I will be sending it to another officer. So now the file has been sent to the other officer. Now we'll open the account of the other officer and click on inbox. We will open this file. So here you can see that he have received a yellow note. Now he has three options: edit, discard, and confirm. Discard, we have already seen that it will discard this yellow note all in together. So I will click on edit. Necessary edits have been made. And then I will again click on submit. And now I have an option to confirm it. If I will confirm it here, this note will be converted into a green note. And when I will send it to the officer, it will go with the signature of this user, that is Neeraj Gupta. But if you want to send it with the signature of the officer who sent it originally, who was Udit Vishesh, then you will have to send it back. So you can either use send or send back. So I will be clicking on send back. The only difference between send and send back is that when you click on send back, it automatically populates the name of the officer who has sent that file previously to you. So I will click on send, and now I'll go to my account. So click on inbox to refresh it. So now I again have this file. Now I'll click on it. So now my officer has said necessary edits have been made. So see, you can see that the version history is down here. You can check the version 1.1 and 1.0 of the yellow draft. So now I can again edit it if I want to, but I will confirm it. So if you click on confirm, this is a yellow note, please make necessary amendment. So now it has been converted into a green note. Now I will again use the send back option, and I'll send it to the officer. open the account of that officer. Go to inbox and open it up. And here you can see that now it bears the signature of Udit Vashisht and it is a green note now. If you see this very note, note number 2, this is just a yellow note. This note was sent by me, that is Udit Vashisht to Neeraj Gupta as a yellow note, but Neeraj Gupta made the amendment and then confirmed it. And then when he sent the file back to me, it bears the signature of Neeraj Gupta. So you should be sure whose signature or stamp you want to be in the green note, and that very person should confirm that yellow note and change into a green note. This is it for this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful. And in order to get notification about the new videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.